palo.
Ow!
Pero maganda siya mag-set.
Oh, good! Yan, lul!
Maganda na service.
Oh, good! Pagaling, paano na? Pinatapsi. Mananalo tayo dyan! Yo!
Pinalitan siya para pumakas.
Good, diretso mo na para ano.
Hindi, line pala.
Ganun lang.
Fine, let's go.
Ano naman yung tapsing of the Oh!
And
Parang matigas yung kamay mo. Hindi tayo baka.
Wala man lang pa. Oh, sige na. Number 12. Sige na yan eh. Practice kanina din. Hindi naman na lang yun. Papasok pag-inig. Sinele yung si Alex. Bola, bola. Over power, guys.
Ah, good!
Gating kanya.
Oh, good. Ganun ba? Ganun yung talaga. Gusto ko ganun.
lobat.
Ragsa.
Hello. Jersey received by Beverly Villafuerte. Elite.
Meron konti, pero.
Jersey number 8, binigay kay Beverly and Villafuerte. Received by Miss Julia. Double contact via. Okay. Good service. Received by Beverly and drop ball by Jersey number 8. Two more. Service once again by Team 1 by. Received by jersey number 2, jersey number 8, binigay kay Beverly Hills, dinrap ni Beverly, jersey number 4, inangat. Kuya, jump or jump?
Outside court.
Outside. Service. Receive, sinet sa tres, jersey number 3, outside. Diba po sa number 3, received, jersey number 8, inangat sa dos. Very good naman yan! Nice one, player! Mamaya na, tatawagin na lang ha. Beverly Hills with a push. Not. Binigay sa dos. Nila po lang. Binigay sa dos. Jersey number 5. And on the first change score to win. Received by Team Pulaqueño. Drop ball received by the center. Libero inangat sa open. Jared Galeon with a push. And it's a point for Team 1 Bayan.
Meron ko si 10.
Service by Kuya Jomar. We receive the jersey number 8. Sinet sa open. Jersey number 14. It's a point for Beverly. Sinet kay jersey number 5. Through the block.
Tatlo silang nag-trap. Di pa rin.
Receive ni Beverly. Drop. Goyang bola. Setter, inangat sa 4. Pinalo. And it's a point.
Wala.
Yay! Nasa bubong yung bola. Technical. Yes po, ST. Thank you so much. Receive for jersey number 8. Jersey number 11 on the bola. Over. Chance ball for Team 1 Bayan. Received by the middle. Jersey number 6 to jersey number 3. Para is with the push. And it's a point for Team 1 Bayan. Jersey number 5. Received by jersey number 14. Jersey number 10 on the bola. So you see jersey number 14. Pushed by the middle. Blocker. Jersey number 6 to jersey number 3. Received by the middle. Jersey number 3, push to jersey number 5, and it's a spin ball na received jersey number 14. Jersey number 2, inahan kay jersey number 11, Shazwell for team 1, Bayan. Jersey number 5, so jersey number 6. And the push, by the middle blocker, Boyan Bola. Walang dito. Center inahan, jersey number 8 with a push received by the defender, jersey number 6, push to jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, check ball. And received to jersey number 2. Oh! Napakagusay mo, Beverly Angelina. Service by Desi. Received by jersey number 8. Inahat sa kanya. Jersey number 8 with a push. And it's a point for jersey number 8. Gonzaga. Service ace by jersey number 8.
Ay, wala na.
Service error by jersey number 8. By Desi. Jersey number 12. 6. Inahat. Jersey number 5 with a push. Puto ni Beverly Ann. So may spin si Beverly Ann. Received by Desi. Jersey number 6. Binigay sa dos. Jersey number 3. Error by jersey number 3. Received by jersey number 5, jersey number 6 in the mat. Hey, Ladyboy! Ito po, pwede niyang kunin. Receive. Service by jersey number 8. Received by Desi, jersey number 6. And got by attack by jersey number 5. Center in the hot side by jersey number 14 with the drop. Buhay by jersey number 3. Jersey number 6 to jersey number 5. And it's a double contact violation. Committed by jersey number 6 in hot by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5 with the drop. And it's a no-touch violation committed by jersey number 2. Score. Received by jersey number 8. Sinet. Good ball. Drop. Received by jersey number 10. In the hand. Dinrapon sa dulo. Buhay ang bola. Sige sa atin. Ilan ito sa atin. Beverly Hills. Napunta ng jersey number 5. Buhay ang bola. Chance by jersey number 5. Received by Beto. Center. Inahan sa open. Puro break ball. Pumapalakpak si Henry. Service received by Desi. Sinet kay Desi. Outside. Jersey number 2 Palazzi. Buhay by jersey number 2. Inahan kay jersey number 5. With a push na puto. Inahan kay Beverly Hills.
Ganda mo, Dexter!
Service once again, jersey number 2. Break ball received. Jersey number 6 inahan sa East. Eric Palesa with a push received by jersey number 11. Jersey number 10. Inahan kay jersey number 14. Jersey score.
Pares magsapatos ka.
By the way, maganda yung mag-serve sa speed. Outside siya. Napala.
Tayo na.
Yeah, kaya di siya makapalo kaya palo niya.
Good. Ah, nakakiyaan. Out. Enggak. Enggak awit. Good. In. In. Shoot. Shoot mo lang.
Meron ba dito dito? Meron.
Tayo. Ay!
Ay!
Magkasabot kayo ni
Float siya, boy!
Huwag mong lakasan. Tulog mo lang. Ay, nakuha pa.
Nice one.
Shot! Nahilaan pa. Oy! Silan niya na lang niya.